Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love to have a chance to show you why our customers write these reviews for us. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.